Hello friends, welcome to Soumiz world. Today I will make the chicken handi, the chicken in the earthen pot. The way today I'm going to teach you how to make it is a very quick and an easy method, and this you can see is so delicious. So let's quickly get started. The ingredients which you will need is 1 tablespoon of shajira, 1 green cardamom, 2 black cardamoms, 1 jaggery, 2 cloves. For the dry spices, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of white pepper powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, and half a tablespoon of nutmeg powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste which I have freshly made, and 3 tablespoons of fenugreek leaves or the methi leaves. It's the dry ones and I have crushed it, which you will get it in the market. 1 bowl of fresh thick yogurt, 1 bowl of heavy whipping cream, some salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of white oil, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 chopped onion, 1 tomato chopped, 3 green chilies chopped, 3 to 4 garlic cloves chopped, 1 cup of fresh cilantro or coriander leaves chopped. That's all. At first, in a hot pan, I'm adding the butter. Once the butter gets melted, I am adding the white oil into it. If you want, you can opt out of the white oil and instead do the entire cooking adding butter. Now adding the whole spices. I'm keeping the flame in low to medium. Once the whole spices starts to sizzle, I'm going to add the onions. So you can see the whole spices has started to sizzle. So I am adding the onions, frying the onions until it turns light golden brown. You can see that the onions have turned golden brown. So I'm adding the chopped garlic and chopped green chilies, and I'm going to cook this for another 2 minutes. Once the rawness of the garlic goes away, I'm adding the ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to fry this for some time more until the rawness of the ginger and garlic paste is away and oil starts to separate. After the oil has started to separate, it's time for adding the chopped tomatoes. Frying the tomatoes for some time so that it turns little mushy. Thereafter, adding all the dry spices and mixing the dry spices well with the oil. I'm adding a small bowl of water into the spice mixture so that it does not burn. Mixing all the spices very well, and I'm cooking it until the oil starts to separate. Once you see that the oil has started to separate from the spices, I'm adding the boneless chicken thighs. You can see that I have not marinated the chicken from before, so it is as it is. Mixing the chicken with the spices very well, and then I'm adding salt as per my taste. Stirring everything well together, covering the pan with a lid, and I'm going to cook it for another 10 minutes in medium to low flame. After 10 minutes, you can see that the color of the chicken has changed and the oil has started to separate out. This is the time I am adding the yogurt and the heavy whipping cream into the chicken. Mixing the yogurt and the cream with the chicken well, I'm adding the freshly chopped cilantro and the fenugreek leaves into the chicken, and in high flame I'm going to cook the chicken for approximately another 10 minutes until you see that oil has started to separate out. Now you can see that after another 10 minutes cooking in high flame, the oil has started to separate from the chicken. It looks amazing, isn't it? This is really so delicious. This tastes delicious and smells divine. You can try the chicken handi with any flatbread of your choice. It goes best with rumali roti, naan, or you can try it with rice of your choice. So friends, do try this recipe and let me know how was it. Do comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and also share with your friends and loved ones. So see you soon. Bye bye.